Hey everyone, myself Prasad and I am making a seminar video on minimum spanning tree. Now we will see what all we are going to discuss in this video. So first we will see what is tree, then we will see the definition of spanning tree with an example, and at last the properties of spanning tree. So let's begin with what is tree. A tree is a connected graph with no cycles. Now moving to spanning tree. A spanning tree is a subgraph of an undirected connected graph which includes all the vertices the graph with minimum possible number of edges. Below there is a graph G which is having 3 edges and 3 vertices. So there are 3 possible spanning tree with 2 edges covering all the vertices. Now moving to the last topic of this video, that is the properties of minimum spanning tree. A connected graph G can have more than one spanning tree. Below there is an example of graph G which is having more than one spanning tree. Next, all possible spanning tree of graph G have the same number of edges and vertices. Below graph G has 3 edges and 3 vertices. Their respective spanning trees are having 2 edges and 3 vertices. Next, the spanning tree does not have any cycles. Removing one edge from the spanning tree will make the graph disconnected. From the spanning tree, if we remove the edge CB from the first example, then it will make the tree disconnected. Next is adding one edge to the spanning tree will create a circuit or loop. If we add an edge CA in the first example, it will make a loop. Next, spanning tree has n-1 edges where n is the number of vertices. From a complete graph, by removing maximum e minus n plus 1 edges, we can construct a spanning tree where e is the number of edges in the graph and n is the number of vertices. A complete graph can have maximum n to the power n minus 2 number of spanning trees, where n is the number of vertices. Let's take an example of a graph having 3 vertices. So here n equal to 3. So 3 to the power 3 minus 2, that is equal to 3. So the graph with 3 vertices will have 3 spanning trees.